Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the science behind dry blasting and understanding this kind of technology. So essentially what sandblasting is using air and abrasive to propel that abrasive through the gun and clean different parts with an impact method of cleaning. Essentially dumbed down, that's what sandblasting is going to do. It can just give you a clean, or it can prep for future coatings. There's many uses that you can use this machinery for. So as you guys know, we do manufacture wet blasting equipment as well, but why would you choose a sandblaster over a wet blaster? That's because of the speed that you get out of a cabinet like this versus needing a polished finish. If you guys are looking for like a finishing touch on your parts to make them look new, or just give like a general clean and polish, maybe wet blasting would be good resolution for you. Now, if you're looking for something with more pace, more speed, like let's say you're high production, sandblasting would probably be the best course of action for you if you're not looking for any kind of particular finish. If you guys want some more detail on the key differences of wet and dry blasting, click the video in the upper left-hand corner and it will take you right to it and explain those differences more in depth. We also have two different types of systems. So the first system is going to be a suction system. We also have a pressure pot. We do have a couple different accessories that come with these machines that you can add on. One of them is a dust collector. So obviously it's in the name. This will collect the dust that's created from the sandblasting process, because as you hit the surface of your part, that media shatters, it will create dust. So the dust collector, super convenient to have added on to one of these machines. We also have a reclaiming system, so any abrasive that's still good will go into the reclaimer and be reutilized again, which can save you a lot of money on abrasives. We also have rubber lined walls. Those are great for this cabinet. It essentially keeps the cabinet from eating itself over time because it protects all of those steel surfaces inside of the cabinet. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here. Our number is 828-202-5563.